Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm showing you guys this amazing taco stuffed peppers. This is top tier dinner idea you have to try. But before I begin, please take a moment to subscribe if you're new here. Also like this video if you enjoy it, and let's get started. Alright guys, let's begin. Before we start cooking, I'll show you guys how to prep your bell peppers before you start cooking them. So here I have 3 bell peppers. I am using 1 green one and 2 red bell peppers. I went ahead and cut the bottom. That way my bell peppers can sit nice and flat. And also I went ahead and cut the top as well and remove the core. Now, once I'm done, I am going to place them to a baking dish. Now, I didn't throw away the top part of the bell peppers because I am going to incorporate that into the recipe as well, and nothing wasting over here. Okay, so I am going to dice them very finely. Also, I will be adding some onions to this recipe as well, so I am also going to dice some yellow onions. All right, here are the ingredients. I am using 2 pounds of ground black pepper, 1 cup of cooked rice. I literally just cooked this. Also, we'll be using black bean, corn, mozzarella cheese, as well as some provolone cheese. It's very optional. You can use 3 Mexican cheese or cheddar cheese. For the seasoning, I'm using Creole seasoning, onion powder, and a little bit of chicken bouillon, as well as some taco seasoning. And of course, we'll be using our bell peppers. First thing I'll be doing is bake my bell peppers. I went ahead and baked them on 350 for about 10 minutes. Now, to begin, I am going to pour in my ground beef to my cast iron. I am going to cook this until it's no longer gray. Then we'll start adding the remaining of the ingredients. Now I am going to add my onion, bell peppers in there, give that a stir, and once it's no longer pink something like this, I am going to start seasoning it. I'll be using the Creole seasoning, onion powder, chicken bouillon, as well as the taco seasoning to season this. And of course, you know this is going to be absolutely flavorful. Next, I am going to pour in my rice. You can make this with uncooked rice. However, you will need about a cup of chicken broth to cook the rice. But it's easier to use pre-cooked rice, okay? So I'm going to give that a nice stir just like this until everything is well incorporated. And I almost forgot about my beans and corn. I am going to pour that in and give it another stir. And of course, if you want to eat this all by itself, you can definitely do, because it's absolutely delicious. So now we're going to stuff our bell peppers. I grabbed them from the oven, and now I am going to place my provolone cheese at the bottom. Then I am going to stuff it with the rice and the ground beef, and then I am going to add some more cheese on top. Now, however, you can use one type of cheese if you like. You don't have to go ahead and buy two different kind of cheese. You can use cheddar cheese only, or you can use provolone cheese only, and so on and so forth. Now I'm going to grab my mozzarella cheese and pour that on top just like so. Now you can add as much cheese as you want. Do your thing, it's up to you. Now I'm going to finish the last bell pepper and I'll show you guys what to do next. Now I'm going to bake this on 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until your cheese are nice and melted. And there it is, guys. This is how easy it is to make yourself some taco stuffed bell peppers at home. Thank you so much for watching today's recipe. I hope you enjoy it and actually try it out for the family. I rate this 10 out of 10, would recommend. It was absolutely delicious. And of course, you can get full pretty quick with this because you have the rice, the ground beef, everything is just amazing. It's the perfect dinner idea. This is actually was for lunch, however I saved the remaining for dinner. So hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.